This is first problem from MSET 23 TS from Demoivres Theorem. Here is given theta is equal to pi by 6. Then the 10th term of the series. It is given series is 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta whole square plus cos theta plus I sin theta whole cube plus up to dash dash is. Here is asking 10th term, that is 10th term is equal to, here is first term is 1, that is cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 0. Second term is cos theta plus I sin theta whole power 1. And third term is cos theta plus I sin theta whole square. Similarly, 10th term is cos theta plus I sin theta whole to the power of 9. So applying Demoivres theorem, this is cos 9 theta plus I sin 9 theta. The theta is given, that is pi by 6. Substituting in this, that is cos 9 into theta, this is 9 pi by 6 plus I sin 9 pi by 6. That is equal to cos 9 pi by 6 is this is 3 pi by 2 plus I into sin, this is 3 pi by 2, cos 3 pi by 2, this value cos 90 0, cos 3 pi by 2 is also 0, plus I into sin 3 pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1, and sin 3 pi by 2, that value sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, sin pi by 2 1, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1, that is I into minus 1, that is equal. This is the 10th term of the given series. This is second problem from Demoivres theorem, is MSET 23 TS. Here is given x is equal to a plus b and y is equal to a alpha plus b beta and z is equal to a beta plus b alpha. Alpha comma beta are the complex cube roots of unity. Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to dash. These options is given. First option a cube plus b cube, second one 3 into a square plus b square, third one a cube minus b cube, fourth one 3 into a cube minus b cube. This is given. So here is alpha beta are the complex cube roots of unity. Take alpha is equal to omega and beta is equal to omega square. So alpha is equal to omega and beta is equal to omega square. Alpha is equal to omega and beta is equal to omega square. So substituting on that is x is equal to a plus b. Substituting a value 1 and b value 1, take that is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, and y is equal to a alpha, alpha is omega, b into beta, beta is omega square. Substituting a b value is 1, that is omega plus omega square, this is equal to minus 1, and find z value, that is a beta, a omega square plus b omega. So a b value is 1, that is omega square plus omega, this value is also minus 1. Now we find the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube, that is equal to x cube is 2 cube plus minus 1 whole cube plus minus 1 whole cube, that is 2 cube is 8 minus 1 that is equal to 6. This is the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube is 6. Substituting the options a and b values 1 comma 1 in options. First option is, that is a cube plus b cube, that is 1 cube plus 1 cube is 2. Not correct answer. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube is 6. And the second option is 3 into a square plus b square, that is 3 into a value is 1 square is 1, b value 1 square is 1, that is equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. This value equal to this. Second option is correct answer. And the third option, verify the third option also. This is a cube minus b cube, 1 cube minus 1 cube, that is equal to 0. Fourth option, 3 into a cube minus b cube, that is equal to 3 into 1 minus 1, 1 cube minus 1, this is also 0. So for this, second option is correct answer. That is 3 into a square plus b square. That is the required answer. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3 into a square plus b square. This is the required answer. This is third problem from Demoivres Theorem, Eapcet 23 TS. It is given if the roots of the equation z square minus I is equal to 0 are alpha and beta, then find modulus of argument of beta minus argument of alpha is equal to dash. It is given z square minus I is equal to 0. From this, z square is equal to I. I is written as z square is equal to this value. This is I is cos 90 plus I sin 90. That is cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Here cos 90 is 0, I sin 90 is 1, I into 1, I. Z square value is this is. So z is equal to this is written as cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2. This is the value of z. Now here is 1 by 2, we are taking two values. Add for this pi by 2, 2k pi plus pi by 2 plus I sin 2k pi plus pi by 2 whole to the power of 1 by 2. Now applying Demoivres theorem for this, that is where k values is k is equal to 0 comma 1, because here is power is 1 by 2, take two values, that is 0 comma 1. Z is equal to applying Demoivres theorem, this is cos of 2k pi plus pi by 2 by 1 by 2. This is written as 2k pi by 2, that is k pi plus pi by 2 by 2. This is pi by 4 plus I sin, this is k pi plus pi by 4, where k is equal to 0 comma 1. Now substituting k is equal to 0 on that is k value is k is equal to 0. So that z is equal to, this is given alpha is equal to, this is given z is equal to, substituting k is equal to 0 in z is equal to, that is cos pi by 4, k value is 0 plus I sin pi by 4. So from this alpha is the, from this argument of alpha is equal to pi by 4. This is argument of alpha is pi by 4. Now substituting k is equal to 1 in z. Therefore z is equal to, this is cos pi plus pi by 4 plus I sin pi plus pi by 4. That is z is equal to cos pi plus pi by 4 is, this is pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4. From this argument of beta is equal to, this is argument of beta is equal to pi by 4. Now we are finding modulus of, this is modulus of argument of beta minus argument of alpha. That is argument of beta is, this is pi by 4 minus pi by 4. That is pi by 4. This is 4 pi by 4. 4 cancelled, that is equal to pi. This is the required answer. This is fourth question from Demoivres theorem, Eapcet 23 TS. Here is given xn, that is xn is equal to cos pi by 2n plus I sin pi by 2n. Then find pi, n is equal to 1 to infinity x to n. Pi means product of all values from 1 to infinity. So this xn is written as xn is equal to cos pi by 2n plus I sin 2 pi by 2n. This is cis of pi by 2 to the power of n. This is the value. Now find pi where n is equal to 1 to infinity. Pi means products, that is cis of pi by 2 to the power of n. So this is equal to, substituting all the values from 1 to infinity, cis of n is equal to 1, first value, this is pi by 2, substituting n is equal to 2, this is pi by 2 square, n is equal to 3, pi by 2 cube plus up to dash dash, last value is infinite terms, infinite number of terms, that is take pi common, this is cis of pi take common, this is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube plus dash dash. This is infinite GP. We know that the formula for infinite GP, S infinity is equal to A by 1 minus R. Here A value is 1 by 2 and common ratio is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 by 1 minus 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2 by 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 cancelled. This is equal to 1. So that is equal to, this value is cis of pi into this infinite GP value is 1. Pi into 1. That is equal to cis pi. So cis pi is written as cos pi plus I sin pi. Here cos pi value is minus 1 plus I into sin pi value 0. That is equal to minus 1. That is the required answer. This is fifth problem from Demoivres Theorem, Eapcet 23 TS. Here is given if root 3 plus I by root 3 minus I whole power 4 plus root 3 minus I by root 3 plus I whole power 4 is equal to r cis theta. Then one of the values of root over r cis theta is dash. This is take rationalizing for this is first term, this is root 3 plus I by root 3 minus I. Rationalizing for this is root 3 plus I by root 3 plus I whole to the power of 4. Second term root 3 minus I by root 3 plus I. Rationalizing for this, that is root 3 minus I by root 3 plus I whole to the power of 4 is equal to r cis theta. So this is root 3 plus I into root 3 plus I, that is root 3 plus I whole square. A plus b whole square, that is 3 plus I square is minus 1 plus I into 2 root 3 by in denominator root 3 minus I into root 3 plus I, that is 3 minus I square. 3 whole square is the 3 minus I square, 3 plus 1, that is 3 plus 1, that value is 4. 3 plus 1 value is 4. So for this whole to the power of 4 plus second term, this is root 3 minus I into root 3 minus I, that is root 3 minus I whole square, this is 3 plus I square minus 1 minus 2 root 3 I by root 3 plus I into minus I, that is 3 minus I square, that is 3 plus 1 is 4 to the 4 is equal to r cis theta. This is 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 plus I into 2 root 3 by 4 whole to the power of 4 plus this is 3 minus 1, 2 minus 2 root 3 I by 4 whole to the power of 4. This is equal to r cis theta. From this r cis theta is equal to, here 2 common and cancel, that is 1 by 2 plus I into, here 2 cancel, that is root 3 by 2 whole to the power of 4 plus here is 1 by 2 minus I into root 3 by 2 whole to the power of 4. This now here 1 by 2 value written as cos 60. This is r cis theta is equal to, this is cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 whole to the power of 4 plus next term cos pi by 3 minus I sin pi by 3 whole to the power of 4. Applying Demoivres theorem for this, this is cos 4 pi by 3 plus I sin 4 pi by 3 plus this is cos 4 pi by 3 minus I sin 4 pi by 3. So this term is cancelled. From this r cis theta is equal to, this is 2 cos 4 pi by 3 is written as, this is pi plus pi by 3. So 2 cos pi plus pi by 3, this is third quadrant, 2 into minus cos 60. So 2 into minus cos 60 value is minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 1. Minus 1. This is r cis theta is equal to minus 1. Now we find root over r cis theta, that is equal to root over minus 1. We know that root minus 1 is I. This I is written as, this is cos 90 plus I sin 90. So that means this is cis pi by 2. This is the one value. And this is also written as, this is cos 3 pi by 2. This is cos 3 pi by 2 plus I sin 3 pi by 2. That is equal to, this is second value is cis 3 pi by 2. This 3 pi by 2 is given in the option, that is equal to cis 3 pi by 2. That is the answer. This is sixth problem from Demoivres theorem. This is Eapcet 23 TS. Here is given alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then the value of alpha plus beta whole square plus alpha square plus beta square whole square plus alpha cube plus beta cube whole square up to dash dash. Last term alpha power 12 plus beta power 12 whole square. This is given. Here alpha beta are the roots of the equation x square plus x plus 1 is equal. That means I'll take alpha is equal to omega and beta is equal to omega square. First to find alpha plus beta whole square. That means this value omega plus omega square whole square. Omega plus omega square is minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 1. And next value alpha square plus beta square whole square. This is the second term. Alpha square value is omega square, beta square is omega power 4. Here omega power 4 is 1. Omega power 4 is omega. Omega square plus omega is minus 1 whole square. This is also 1. Find third term. Alpha cube plus beta cube whole square. Alpha cube is omega cube plus beta cube is omega square whole cube. This is omega power 6 whole square. This is omega cube 1, omega power 6 1. 1 plus 1. This is 2 square, that is equal to 4. So sum of the first three terms. The sum of the first three terms is 1 plus 1 plus 4, that is equal to 6. And here is given 12 terms is given. So this is sum of first three terms. Sum of first three is equal to 6. Sum of next three terms. Sum of next three terms is also 6. Again this is the process. This is 4 terms, 12 terms is there. Sum of first three terms and next three terms, next three terms, next three terms. That is total answer is 24. This is the required answer. Here 12 terms is there. So 1, 2, 3 set. Next one 4, 5, 6 one set. Next 7, 8, 9. Next 9, 10, 12. So sum of first three terms 6, 6, 6. So add all these, we get the answer. So for this answer is 24. That is the required answer. This is seventh problem from Demoivres theorem, Eapcet 23 TS problem. So the least positive integral value of n such that this is whole power n is equal to 1 is given. Now we find the least positive integral value of n. Here this relation is equal to, this is 1 plus this sine 2 pi by 9. This is written as sine cos 90 minus theta. This is pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 9 plus I cos is written as sine of 90 minus 2 pi by 9 by in denominator 1 plus this sine 2 pi by 9 is also written as cos pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 9 minus I cos 2 pi by 9 is sine, this is pi by 2 minus 2 pi by 9 whole to the power of n is equal to 1. We find the value of pi by 2 minus pi by 9. So 2 pi by 9. Find this value. So here is 18 LCM. This is 9 pi minus 4 pi. That is pi by 18. So this value is 1 plus cos pi by 18 plus pi by 18. 1 plus cos pi by 18 minus I sin 5 pi by 18 whole to the, this is 1 plus cos theta. We know that 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta. That is, this value is 2 cos square, 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. That is 5 pi by 18 by 2. This is 5 pi by 36 plus I into sin theta is, this is 2 sin 5 pi by 36 cos 5 pi by 36 by, this is 2 cos square, this value also 5 pi by 36 minus I into 2 sin 5 pi by 36, this is cos 5 pi by 36 whole to the power of n is equal to 1. Take 2 cos 5 pi by 36 common in numerator and denominator. This is cos 5 pi by 36 plus I sin 5 pi by 36 by 5 pi by 36 into 5 pi by 36 minus I sin 5 pi by 36 whole to the power of n. This value is equal to 1. Here 2 cos 5 pi by 36, this value is cancelled. We know that 1 by cos theta minus I sin theta, that value is cos theta plus I sin theta. From this is cos 5 pi by 36 plus I sin 5 pi by 36, this value is whole square whole to the power of m, that is 2n is equal to 1. Applying Demoivres theorem, from this is cos 5 pi into 2n, that is 10 pi n by 36 plus I sin 10 pi n by 36 is equal to 1. Now we find the least value of n. Here is, we know that cos even number, that is cos 0 is 1, this total expression value is 1. That means cos 0 1, this is cos pi, cos 2 pi is also 1, cos 4 pi is also 1, cos 6 pi 1, cos 8 pi 1, cos 10 pi 1. Here is cos 10 pi is there. So 10 pi, if you substituting n is equal to 36, this value is cancelled. This is cos 10 pi plus I sin 10 pi. Here is n value is 36, this is cancelled. 10 pi, sin 10 pi is 0, that is equal to 1 plus I into 0 is equal to 1. Equation is satisfied. So the least value of n Therefore, the least value of n is 36. This is the value of n. This is 8th problem from Demoivres Theorem, Eapcet 23 TS. Here asking one of the values of root 3 minus I whole to the power of 2 by 5 is dash. So this is given root 3 minus I whole to the power of 2 by 5. So this is written as root 3 minus I whole square power of 1 by 5. Root 3 minus I whole square. This is a minus b whole square. This is root 3 whole square is 3 plus I square is minus 1 minus 2 root 3 I whole to the power of 1 by 5. This is 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2 root 3 I whole to the power of 1 by 5. So now this is written in the cos theta plus I sin theta form. So dividing by 2, multiplying and dividing by 4, that is 2 minus 2 root 3 I whole to the power of 1 by 5. This is also 4 power 1 by 5. That is equal to 4 power 1 by 5 into. This is 2 by 4. This value is 1 by 2 minus 2 root 3 by 4. This is by 2 whole to the power of I whole to the power of 1 by 5. Here is 1 by 2 is positive minus root 3 by 3. Real part is positive and imaginary part is negative. That means this is lies in fourth quadrant. This is written as 4 to the power of 1 by 5 into. This is 1 by 2 is cos 60 in fourth quadrant 2 by minus 5 by 3 minus I into sin this value 2 pi minus 5 by 3. This sign is negative 1 by 5. That is equal to, this is 4 to the power of 1 by 5 is written as 2 to the power of 1 by 5. 2 to the power of 2 by 5. This is 2 to the power of 2 by 5. Power of 2 by 5 into cos 2 pi minus pi by 3. This is 6 pi minus pi. This value is cos 5 pi by 3 plus I sin. This is 3 to the 6 pi minus pi. This is 5 pi by 3 whole to the power of 1 by 5. So this is equal to, this is 2 to the power of 2 by 5 into, applying Demoivres theorem for this, cos of 5 pi by 3 into 1 by 5. This is cos pi by 3 plus this is I sin 5 pi by 3 into 1 by 5. This is pi by 3. That is equal to, this is 2 to the power of 2 by 5 into cis of pi by 3. This is the one of the answer. This is the 9th problem from Demoivres Theorem, Eapcet 23 TS. It is given alpha comma beta are the roots of the equation x square plus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then alpha power 15 plus beta power 15 is equal to dash. So here is alpha beta are the roots of the equation. We know that the formula for finding the roots alpha and beta, that is minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Substituting on that minus b, this is minus 1 plus or minus, this is x square plus 2x plus 2. Minus b is minus 2 plus or minus under root of b square, that is 4. 4 minus 4ac is 8 by 2a is 2. That is equal to minus 2 plus or minus root over minus 4. This is 2i by 2. Take 2 common and cancel. Minus 1 plus or minus i by 2. Here alpha value is given, that is minus 1 plus I. beta value is given -1 minus I. Take alpha, so that is equal to -1 plus I. This is dividing by root 2. Here a value is -1, b value is 1. Find a square plus b square, that is 1 square plus 1 square is 2. Multiplying and dividing by root 2. This is -1 by root 2 plus I by root 2. This is equal to root 2 into -1 by root 2. This -1 by root 2 is written as cos of minus pi by 4 plus I sine. Write down this is as -1 plus I. Take minus common in these two equations, that is minus of 1 minus I. That is equal to minus of multiplying and dividing by root 2. This is 1 by root 2 minus I by root 2. That is minus root 2 into 1 by root 2 is cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4. Find the value of alpha power 15. That is alpha power 15 is minus root 2 whole power 15 into cos pi by 4 minus I sin pi by 4 whole to the power of 15. This is minus 2 power 15 by 2. Applying Demoivres theorem for this, that is cos 15 pi by 4 minus I sin 15 pi by 4. This is the value of alpha power 15. Now find beta power 15. Similarly, beta power 15 is equal to minus 2 power 15 by 2. This is cos 15 pi by 4 plus I sin 15 pi by 4. So add these two equations, that is alpha power 15 plus beta power 15 is equal to, in both the terms minus 2 whole power 15 by 2 common, that is cos 15 pi by 4 minus I sin 15 pi by 4 plus this value cos 15 pi by 4 plus I sin 15 pi by 4. Here I sin 15 by 4 cancel. That is minus 2 power 15 by 2 into this value 2 cos 15 pi by 4. That is equal to here 2 power 1. 2 power minus 15, 2 power 15 by 2 into 2 power 1. This is minus 2 power 15 plus 2. This is 17 by 2. Into cos 15 pi by 4 is written as, this is 4 pi minus pi by 4. That means 4 into 4, 16 pi minus pi, 15 pi by 4. This is equal to minus 2 to the power of 17 by 2 into cos 4 pi minus pi by 4. This is minus cos pi by 4. This value is 4 pi means that is even number. This is minus cos, this is plus cos pi by 4. From this cos 45 is root 2. Write down that value. This is equal to minus 2 to the power of 17 by 2 into root 2 this value. This is minus 2 to the power of 17 by 2 into 2 to the power of 1 by 2. That is minus 2 power 17 by 2 plus 1 by 2. This is 18 by 2. 18 by 2 is 9. This is 2 to the power of 9. To the power of 9 value is, that is, write down this value, minus 2 to the power of 9 means 2 power 4. 2 to the 4 for 4. 36 into 2. This is minus 512. Cos pi by 4 is, this value is 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 value is minus 2 to the power of 17 by 2 into 2 to the power of minus 1 by 2. This is minus 2 power 17 by 2 minus 1 by 2. This is 16 by 2. 2 to the power of 16 by 2 is minus 2 power 8. 2 power 8 is value is 16 into 16, that is equal to minus 256. This is the required answer. This is 10th question from Demoivres Theorem, Eapcet 23 TS. It is given I is the root of the equation x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Then 1 plus root 3i whole power 2023 plus 1 minus root 3i whole power 2023 is equal to dash. First to find this value 1 plus root 3i. This is multiplying and dividing by 2. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. One by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into I. This is 2 into 1 by 2 value is cos 60 pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. Now we find 1 plus root 3i whole to the power of 2023, that is equal to 2 to the power of 2023 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 whole to the power of 2023, that is equal to 2 to the power of 23 into applying Demoivres theorem for this. This is cos of 2023 pi by 3 plus I sin 2023 pi by 3. Similarly, write down the value of 1 minus root 3i whole to the power of 2023 is equal to 2 to the power of 2023 into cos 2023 pi by 3 minus I sin 2023 pi by 3. Add these two, that is 1 plus root 3i whole power 2023 plus 1 minus root 3i whole power 2023 is equal. 2023 is common, that is cos 2023 pi by 3 plus I sin 2023 pi by 3 plus next value cos 2023 pi by 3 minus I sin 2023 pi by 3. So here I sin 2023 pi by 3 cancel, that is equal to 2023 2 power 2023 into either cos 2023 pi by 3 plus cos 2023 pi by 3. This is 2 cos 2023 pi by 3, that is equal to here 2 power 1 2 power 2023 plus into 2 power 1. This is equal to 2 power 2024 cos 2023 pi by 3. This is written as this value is, so dividing this is 674 pi plus pi by 3. This is the value of 2023 pi by 3 written 674 pi plus pi by 3. Here is even number, so this value is written as that is equal to 2 power 2024 into this value is cos pi by 3. We know that cos pi by 3 value is 1 by 2, that is 2 power 2024 into 1 by 2, 2 cancel, that is final answer is 2 power 2023. That is the final answer. This is 11th problem from Demoivres theorem, Eapcet 23 problem. Here omega is a complex cube roots of unity. Then sine of omega power 10 plus omega power 23 into pi minus pi by 3. Here first we find the value of omega power 10 plus omega power 23. If this 10 is divisible 3 times, remainder is 1. This is omega power 1. 23 is divisible by 7 times. That is 7 3s are 21. This is omega square. We know that omega plus omega square is minus 1. Substituting this value in this. This is sine of omega power 10. Omega plus omega square into pi minus pi by 4. This value is minus 1. This is sine of minus pi by 4. Take minus common. This is sine of minus of pi plus pi by 4. This is sine minus theta is minus sine of pi plus pi by 4. This is sine of 180 plus theta. This is sine of minus 180 plus theta is in third quadrant. This is minus sine pi by 4. Here minus into minus plus sine pi by 4. That value is 1 by root 2. This is the required answer. This is Eapcet 23 problem from Demoivres theorem. 1 comma omega square are the cube roots of unity, and this relation is given x plus y into x omega plus y omega square, x omega square plus y omega is equal to f of x comma y. Then find the value of f of 2 comma 3 is dash. F of x comma y is given. Now we find the f of 2 comma 3. Substituting x value is 2, y value is 3 in this equation. X plus y, that is 2 plus 3 is 5. X omega, this is 2 omega plus y omega square, 3 omega square. This is x omega square. This is 2 omega square plus, that is equal to 5 into this 2 omega plus 3 omega square is written as 2 omega plus 2 omega square plus omega square. And this 2 omega square plus 3 omega square is 2 omega square plus 2 omega plus omega. This is equal to 5 into 2 omega square plus 2 omega. This value is minus 2 plus omega square, and 2 omega is minus 2 plus omega. So multiplying these two, 5 into minus 2 into minus 2, 4 minus 2 into omega. This is minus 2 omega, minus 2 into omega, minus 2 omega square, omega cube plus omega. This is omega cube. That is equal to 5 into omega cube is 1. Here 4 plus 1, 5. Take minus 2 common. This is omega plus omega square. Again omega plus omega square value is minus 1. 5 minus 2 into minus 1. This is 5 plus 2. This is 5 into 7. That is equal to 35. This is the required answer. This is next question from Demoivres theorem, Eapcet 23, AP problem. Here small a comma small b are the roots of the equation y square plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Then the value of a power 4 plus b power 4 plus a power minus 1 into b power minus 1. Where is given a comma b are the roots of the equation y square plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. That means a is equal to omega and b is equal to omega square. This is the cube roots of unity. Substituting in it, a power 4, that is a power 4 is omega power 4, b power 4, that is omega square whole power 4 is omega power 8, a power minus 1, that is 1 by a, this is 1 by omega, b power minus 1, 1 by b, that is omega square. Omega power 4 value is omega, that is omega cube is 1, omega power 8, omega power 6 is 1, this is omega square, plus 1 by omega cube, this is 1 by 1. We know that omega plus omega square plus 1, this value is 0. This is the required answer. This is Eapcet 2023 problem from Demoivres Theorem. Here is given root 2 into cos 56 degree 15 minutes plus I sines 56 degree 15 minutes whole to the power of 8 is equal to dash. This is equal to root 2 power 8 into applying Demoivres theorem for this. This is written as cis 8 into, here is given 56 degrees 15 minutes, 56 degree 15 minutes power 8. That value is, this is 2 to the power of 8 by 2. 2 to the power of 8 by 2 is 2 to the power of 4 into multiplying this 8 into 56 degree 15 minutes. First we multiplying 8 into 15 minutes, that is equal to 8 into 15 is 120 minutes. 120 minutes, that means 62 degree. 60 degrees is 60 minutes is 1 degree. So 120 minutes is 2 degree. And 8 into 56, that is equal to 8 6 48, 5 8 40. 448 degrees. 448 plus 2, this is 450 degrees. This is the value of cis of this value is 450 degrees. That is 2 power 4, that is 16. This is cis 450. This is cis 450 is written as, this is 2 to the power of 4 16 into, this is cos 450 plus I sin 450. That is equal to 16 into cos 450. This is 360 plus 90 plus I sin, this is 360 plus 90. 360 plus theta. This is first quadrant. Cos 360 plus 90 is, cos 90 is 0 plus I into sin 90 is 1. That is 16 into I. This is equal to 16I. This is the required answer. This is Eapcet problem 23. Here is given if Z1 is equal to 2 plus 3I and Z2 is equal to 4 minus 5I and Z3 are the points in the organ plane such that 5Z1 plus xZ2 plus yZ3 is equal to 0 for all x comma y belongs to R. And Z3 is a midpoint of the line segment joining the points Z1 and Z2. Then the value of x plus y is dash. Here Z3 is given midpoint of Z1 plus Z2, that is midpoint of Z1 and Z2, that is Z1 plus Z2 by 2. Z1 value is 2 plus 3I plus Z2 value 4 minus 5I by 2, that is 2 plus 4 is 6 minus 2I by 2. 2 common and cancel, that is 3 minus I. This is the value of Z3. Substituting in this equation, that is 5Z1 plus xZ2 plus yZ3 is equal to 0. Substituting all these values in 5 into Z1, that is 2 plus 3I is 10 plus 5 3 is 15I plus xZ2 multiplying by x, this is 4x minus 5xi. yZ3, that is 3y minus iy is equal to 0. Here equating real parts. Here real parts is 0, that is 10 plus 4x plus 3y is equal to 0. And imaginary parts is 15 minus 5x minus y is equal to 0. These are the equations. First equation and second equation. Solving these two, we are getting x and y values. So this is written as x, y, 1. So y coefficient is 3 and constant term 10 and x coefficient 4. This is 3. In second equation, y coefficient, this is minus 1. This is 15 minus 5. This is minus 1. x value, that is x by 353 into 15, this is 45, minus 1 into 10 plus 10, y by 10 into minus 5, minus 50, minus 15 into 4, 60, that is equal to 1 by minus 4 minus the plus 15. This is x by 45 plus 10, this is 55, y by minus 50 minus 60, this is minus 110, that is 1 by minus 4 plus 15, this is 11. This 11 cancel, here is 10 times and here is 5 times, that is x by 5 is equal to y by minus 10 is equal to 1. From this x is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 10. Now we find x plus y, that is 5 minus 10, that is equal to minus 5. That is the required answer. This is Eapcet 2023 problem. Here is given z is a point on the circle mod z is equal to 1 and argument of z is equal to pi by 6. Then the value of z power 12 plus 1 minus z power 6 by z power 12 plus I z power 6 minus 1 is equal to dash. This is the problem. Argument of z is equal to pi by 6 is given. That means z is equal to this value is cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6. This is the z value. Now find z power 6. Z power 6 is, this is cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 whole to the power of 6. Applying Demoivres theorem, this is cos 6 pi by 6 is pi cos pi plus this is I sin 6 pi by 6, this is pi. Cos pi is minus 1 plus I into sin pi 0, that is equal to minus 1. Z power 6 value is minus 1. And now we find z power 12. Z power 12 is equal to, this is z power 6 whole square. Z power 12, this is written as cos pi by 6 plus I sin pi by 6 whole to the power of 12. Applying Demoivres theorem, this is cos 12 pi by 6, this is cos 2 pi plus I sin 2 pi. Here cos 2 pi value is 1 plus I into sin 2 pi 0, that is equal to 1. Substituting these values in the given problem, that is, now we find z power 12 plus 1 minus z power 6 by z power 12 plus I z power 6 minus 1 equal. Z power 12 value is 1 plus 1 minus z power 6 is minus of minus 1 by z power 12. This is 1 plus I into z power 6. This is minus 1. This is minus 1. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1. This is 3 by. So here 1 cancelled. That is equal to 3 by minus I. This is equal to minus 3 by I. Here minus 1 is written as, this is I square into 3 by I. 1 I is cancelled. That is equal to 3I. This is the required answer. This is Eapcet 23 problem. Here is given omega. Omega is a complex cube roots of unity. Then cos of sigma k is equal to 1 to 7 k minus omega into k minus omega square into pi by 175 is equal to dash. First to find this value, k minus omega into k minus omega square. Multiplying these two, that is k square minus k omega square minus k omega plus omega cube, that is equal to k square. Take minus k common, omega square plus omega, that is minus 1. This is k plus 1. K square, this is omega cube is 1. This value is k square plus k plus 1. Substituting in this is cos of sigma 1 to 7. This is k square plus k plus 1 into this value pi by 175. This is cos of sigma k square, that is sigma k square, we know that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, and next value sigma k, this is n into n plus 1 by 2, and next value sigma 1 is equal to this value is n. N value is given 7. Substituting in this, that is 7 into 7 plus 1, 8, 2 7 are 14 into 15 by 6, plus sigma k, this is 7 into 8 by 2, plus this is 7 into pi by 175. Here is this is 5 3s are 2 3s are cancelled. This 2 4 times 5 4s are 20. 20 into 7. This is 140. Plus here 2 4 times cancelled. 7 4s are 28. Plus 7 into pi by 175. That is equal to cos of 140 plus 28. 168 plus 7. This is 175 into pi by 175. This is 175 cancelled, that is equal to cos pi. So cos pi value is -1. This is the required answer.